When we're looking at the analogy of a blueprint, if we're looking at one small piece of that blueprint, it's not going to make a lot of sense. But when we're able to step back and take that piece on a bigger holistic system, it makes a lot of sense. And you can see how that one piece will integrate with those other pieces to create this whole system.
I started in the insurance business fresh out of school. So I've been in the insurance business for 53 years and evolving. And out of that came the realization that the insurance process and the life insurance process wasn't working for me, and probably in the long run wasn't going to work for my clients. The initial thought was maybe what I could do is actually develop a preventative life insurance process. The first word in life insurance is life. So why not start with life as opposed to insurance? Your life's your most important asset, so why not design a system to get what you want in your life? And that's really where Jake came along.
When I started out in the industry, there was no technology available. The financial planning software wasn't able to accommodate the types of business owners and complexity that we wanted to show. And so we started building it ourselves. And it really integrated off of what Joe has built over the past 50 years, was really that holistic approach in terms of looking at what they're trying to do in their life, what they're trying to achieve. And that's where I came in from a more analytical point of view to say, how can we map that out? How can we get a little bit more specific on the numbers to see what this will look like? Once we have that clear picture, we're looking for efficiencies. Once they've generally found that they have enough money for life, we're looking for ways in which they can be a little bit more efficient about things. We do use life insurance and other living benefit insurance products to mitigate risk, but then also for advanced tax planning strategies. Once we've gone through that model, really implement on any strategy that helps them get to where they're going. Whether that's updating the shareholder agreement, implementing on an estate freeze. It's really about making sure that things get done and creating that platform where if things don't get done, it's really going to become apparent. They've been working hard their whole life, that they've got their kids through their education phases, and they're nearing retirement, and there's a lot of anxiety at any level of wealth about saying, do I have enough money for life? And once we're able to run that model and show them very objectively or within a wide margin that they're going to be all right, it's a palpable sense of relief in the room. What we really start with is what the client is trying to do. If there's a crack in the system, that will become very apparent once you can see what the whole picture looks like.
This is no one's fault that you're just discovering this now. It's not your client's fault, it's not your fault. For some good reason, you didn't discover this until now. But when's the best time to plant a tree? 20 years ago. When's the second best time to plant a tree? Today.